Yeah, well, we're getting a hotel tour of Suites and in the country. So, yeah.
Country Inn and Suites. If anyone wants to come here.
So we got the bathroom.
You didn't even show the bathroom. I was at the tour. And you don't even show stuff. So I gotta make sure I don't show in the mirror.
This is the bathroom.
Nice bathroom. I give it a 10 out of 10 for the bathroom. You didn't even look in here.
So happy.
Standard hotel. Now when your hair gets stuck on that hair clip and you're stuck in there, I'm not gonna save you.
Lie?
I'm gonna lie.
So we got these beds.
That's what's her bed.
Yeah, this looks her.
My bed.
Yeah.
Nightstand.
Here we got this.
Wait, the earplugs for the train that comes through, but we didn't hear a train. Yeah.
There's a train that comes
through? They said he come through and he ring his bell, so put these earplugs in if it's too loud.
Why didn't the train come when we were here? Why?
Coffee.
Microwave.
Oh, we had a microwave? I did not know.
You needed it?
Yeah, what about my food home?
Oh.
Instead of scarfing it down.
So, we got this area right here.
The business area.
Yes.
Coffee.
Yeah.
This is the view. Okay, another hotel, but they don't have an indoor pool. Like I would like to stay there, but they don't have an indoor pool.
Yeah, they don't. And this one's pool like sucks. Their pool had the grease on top of it. It was extremely hot.
It was like 100 degrees in that room.
Yeah.
And then the water was cold.
Yeah, it was freezing.
So overall, scale of 1 to 10, what do you give this hotel? And would you recommend? Would you stay here again? The beds were so comfortable though. It was quiet. I think, yeah, I give it an 8 too.
Because of the pool, that's what.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
Yeah,
and the breakfast was pretty good.
Yeah.
So, I'll give it an 8. Oh, we could have bought the bagel up here and microwaved it, right?
That's not take breakfast.
Good, they ain't looking at us. What they gonna do, call the police because we took a bagel to our room? Yeah, we're not scared. Alrighty. Bye, guys. Peace.
See, I like the hotel breakfast.
What do you have?
Some bagels. Nutella. Cheese cream. Doswell.
Waffles, mini waffles.
Juice apple.
Please stop talking backwards, good, before I hang this thing on phone up. I got sausage, eggs, and toast, and a muffin. You should probably put butter on it first, right? Right here. It tastes better if you put a little butter on it first.
I actually don't know if I've ever tried waffles.
I don't know that you have either. But you're about to find out, right?
Right here is open.
While she's playing around, I'm gonna eat my food because it's cold in here. It's freezing.
She's yakking about how cold it is. It's not even cold.
It's freezing. And it's making my food cold.
It's not even cold. Okay, so.
She's gonna go back up there and give me some more butter.
Okay.
Alright, that's enough before I get all salty. Or you can pick it up and bite it. No. You're not supposed to put the hunk of butter on it, right?
Really? Well, that's actually see waffles and pictures.
That's a picture.
Yeah, that's how they're supposed to look. So, you supposed to eat the butter too?
Nope. I do. How is it?
I don't like it.
Of course not.
Let's show the bagels. Yep. And then we'll also have to try the Nutella.
I'm gonna need you to hurry up and try it. So I can eat my food. She thinks my food isn't delicious, but mine is delicious. I'll try to eat one-handed. You're okay. Wanna try this shriveled sausage?
Did you like it? Oh,
yeah. How is it?
Cold down.
Because got some right there. Well, guess she won't be eating breakfast today, guys.
Ew, disgusting. I'm taking cold bagels. I'm hungry anyways. But wow, we still got to take the where's the butter?
Right in those bowls over there. I guess you can wait, or you can go down if you like. Bye, guys.